100 grams of oats, 2 medium-sized apples, 1 tablespoon of flax seeds, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 30 mils of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger powder, and a pinch of salt. Today I'm using pink Himalayan salt. We're first of all going to take the apples, chop them in half. So I've just got a bowl here and a box grater. I'm just going to grate. So now that we've grated the apple, it's in the bowl now, we're going to add all the rest of the ingredients. So the oats, flax seeds, chia seeds, cinnamon, ginger powder, salt, and the coconut oil. So I'm going to give that a stir. If there's any lumps of the coconut oil that are quite big, just smash them down a bit. I mean, they'll melt out anyway. Yeah. So now we're going to spread this onto a lined baking sheet. So here's my lined baking sheet. This is a really good, healthy, sugar-free granola, and it's really good because the apple is what will sweeten it, so it won't taste terrible, it will taste good. This is a really nice, healthy breakfast. So I'm just spreading it out, so get it out as thinly as you possibly can. So I'm going to use up all the space in this tray. Right, that's that done. So now you're going to put it into the oven on 180 degrees Celsius. That's 350 Fahrenheit or gas mark 4 for 40 minutes. But what you have to do is put on a second timer so that every 10 minutes you stir it so it doesn't burn. Okay, let's pop it into the oven. Allow the granola to cool down for about an hour and then place it into a jar. Thank you for watching all the way to the end, and just before you go, let me tell you about some things that I do that might be useful for you. Watch my TV series on Amazon Prime. I have a 3-part series on Amazon Prime called Kirly-Sue's Global Kitchen, which features some delicious vegan recipes, and it's filmed on location in London and also in Jamaica. Get a copy of my kids' cookbook. I have a vegan cookbook for kids and parents which won the Wise Woman Award. It has easy to follow recipes you can make for your children. Now, vegan cooking for children is easier than you think. In my book, you will find simple and easy to follow recipes using ingredients that are easy to find and are probably already in your kitchen cupboard. I have a vegan cookbook on Amazon called Kirly-Sue's Sweet Treats. Many people ask, what kind of desserts can vegans have? They seem not to be able to think beyond fruit salad. As lovely as fruit salad is, there are many more options, and vegan desserts can be real culinary delights. In my book, I've put together a selection of recipes for sweet treats that are easy, tasty, and fun to make, including cookies, cakes, and smoothies, as well as desserts that range from fresh and healthy to deliciously decadent. Brand deals and collaborations. I've worked with many brands over the years, and I'm always happy to consider more. I love doing collaborations with different brands and helping them to promote their product, and anything that is suitable for vegans or is a sustainable product, please reach out to me. My email is in the description box below. Bookings for film and TV. I have been working in television since I was 7 years old, and I love doing television. I have appeared on film and TV many times. I am a member of the British Actors Equity Association, and I'm also on Spotlight. If you'd like to see the link to my Spotlight so you get details of my agent, if you want to book me for film or television, click the link in the description below. I do cooking courses, one-off classes, and also a number of classes across a number of weeks, and I do that for many different groups: corporate, schools, colleges, different kinds of groups, religious groups, any kind of group of people who want to learn to cook vegan food. I'm more than happy to do a course for you or a one-off class. If you're interested in booking me, please see the email in the description box below. I'll be more than happy to discuss with you. I have a number of different books on Amazon. I have a range of different recipe journals, and I also have a meal planner on there as well. Links are in the description below. Go and have a look. And finally, follow me on social media. I'm on Facebook, X, formerly known as Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, TikTok, LinkedIn, you name it, I'm there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll see more videos just like this one. Eat good, eat clean, eat blessed. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah, mwah, mwah. See you next time. Bye.